Anti-aging secret. Top 4 signs of aging skins. Well, skin's cell turnover is at least every 28 days in healthy, young skin. If you are aged 40, it might take 40 days, so do not expect to see a big improvement from skincare products within 28 days. If you see any overnight results from skincare creams, it is a temporary result and not long-lasting. Dull skin tone. When dead skin cells build up on your face, your youthful glow is compromised and your skin tone can appear dull. Your skin renewal decreases about 7% every 10 years, which means fewer new skin cells to combat dull skin. Dry skin. Your skin doesn't produce as much natural moisture as you get older. This can cause the uppermost layers of your skin dry out. Sun damage and decreased cell activity can also cause dry skin over time. Saggy skin. Your skin produces less elastin and collagen over time. Without high levels of these, your skin can't remain firm and strong and is more likely to sag. Gravity and gaining and losing weight can also stretch your skin and cause it to sag. Lines and wrinkles. As your skin loses moisture, elastin and collagen, wrinkles can appear. The areas of your face that move the most, like your eyes and mouth, are particularly prone to wrinkles. Smoking and excessive sun exposure can also speed up the formation of wrinkles. The more you lose collagen and elastin, the more fine lines and wrinkles appear. At the same time, collagen and elastin keep connective tissue firm and help it to hold its shape. But as free radicals enter your body, your skin loses collagen, and it loses elasticity. Now, to revitalize your skin and restore smoothness and youthfulness, you need something to strengthen your skin cells and make your skin more elastic. The stronger and more resilient your skin cells are, the more moist and smooth, and the better your skin looks. I find out a natural solution and doing it myself. I am passionate about them. I am doing it every morning. It has taught me a lot about myself. You can work on the face muscles. Instead of using machines, you will use the hands and fingers. If you, at the same time, take care of your lifestyle and nutrition, you have all the cards in your hand to live and get older with style and happiness. As we age, we lose muscle mass, and we accumulate fat. This also applies to the face. On the body, the fat settles on exposed places. It's the same for the face. But the good news is that way can help you. Without Botox, fillers, surgical facelift. That way helps you to gain firming, slimming, tightening, and fat loss. Follow these tips to stay youthful and healthy easily. Remember to visit the link below to find more valuable information about powerful natural ways to stay youthful and healthy once and for all. I hope this video has been helpful. And you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.